Hello, welcome to today's lesson on velocity. In today's lesson, we'll firstly learn that velocity is similar to speed, but includes a directional component. Next, we'll work through intuitive examples to better understand the differences between velocity and speed. So far, we've discussed the distinction between scalar and vector quantities and learned how to calculate speed. Building on this foundation, we can now explore how velocity, which incorporates direction, gives us a more comprehensive understanding of motion. Let's get started.
So, how are speed and velocity different?
Speed tells us how fast an object is moving, whereas velocity tells us both how fast and in which direction an object is moving. Because of this directional aspect, velocity is considered a vector quantity. This means it has both magnitude, which tells us how much, and direction, which tells us which way. Let's consider an illustrative example to understand how we express velocity. Imagine two people, person A and person B, both walking at the same speed of 2 meters per second, but in opposite directions. Therefore, their velocity is different. We can describe this in words. Person A has a velocity of 2 meters per second north, while person B has a velocity of 2 meters per second south. Mathematically, we can use positive and negative signs to denote direction. Let's choose north to be the positive direction. Hence, person A has a velocity of plus 2 meters per second north, and person B has a velocity of minus 2 meters per second south. This mathematical expression becomes very handy in calculations and helps us understand and predict the effects of motion. In today's lesson, we delved into the concept of velocity and how it differs from speed. We learned that while speed tells us how fast an object is moving, velocity includes both the magnitude and the direction of motion, making it a vector quantity. We used intuitive examples such as walking in different directions to illustrate this difference. By examining these scenarios, we understood that two objects can have the same speed but different velocities if they are moving in different directions. In summary, recognizing that velocity encompasses both speed and direction provides a more complete understanding of an object's movement, which is crucial for analyzing motion in physics. Watch the rest of the GCSE physics course at Sophos Education.